This light is just because we are low on fuel, so we're going to get that topped off. Car sounds amazing. Love the steering wheel. Flat bottom carbon with the red accents, looks really good. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. I don't feel any type of shimmy. The audio from this phone just doesn't do this car justice. Shifts nice and smooth, sounds awesome, beautiful, beautiful car. No complaints with how it drives. Here in the engine bay, nice and clean. Looks really good. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, I don't see any curb rash. You're going to have a couple chips on the caliper, a few little scuffs. Now we do have full front clip PPF, and so you're going to see these little scuffs in the film. It's hard to tell if any of those made their way through that film and impacted the paint, but you're going to see these little flaws throughout. Lots of little bubbles. And then I see some hard water spots in it. Got carbon here. And then you're going to see these little bubbles. Looking at the side mirror, you have PPF on here. You do have a couple imperfections, a few little scuffs. A couple tiny scuffs on the A-pillar. A few little rock chips. Little spot in the paint there. Couple swirls here and there just from everyday washing. Some hard water spots. See a little dimple there. Got a dimple here. You can see that in the paint. Looking at that wheel, we do have some rash right there. And you're going to see some discoloration. May not actually be rash, but something looks like it rubbed the bronze off. The rest of that looks good. Little swirls here, a couple fingernail scratches, a couple stains in the paint. For the most part, the rest of that door looks good. You can see this material is peeling and bubbling. And then when we look at the hood, you have a lot of hard water spots and stains. Now this has PPF on it, and it looks like that's just on top of the film, not on the paint. You're going to have those stains all throughout the hood there. And looking at the headlight, you do have some yellowing and some fading on the edge. See some stains on it. And then you're going to see the little bubbles and imperfections on that PPF. You're going to have little gashes. I don't know when that film was installed, so it's hard to see what was underneath the film and what's just on the surface. This looks like a gash in the plastic. And just little impacts all throughout that front. And then you do have rash on that splitter. Looking at this wheel, overall in great condition. Little scuffs on the film, little imperfections here and there. You're going to see those little spots. Got the carbon. Got a bubble here. Looking at the door, overall looks good. You do have some little imperfections on the film there. A couple rock impacts on the A-pillar. I do see a few stains in the paint. Little water spots. Got some sort of flaw there in the paint. Little surface scuffs. You're gonna see these hard water spots throughout. You have some very minor rash on the bottom of that wheel. Looking at the quarter panel here, you're going to see the rock chips and rock impacts in that section. Just typical fingernail scratches here and there, and then you're going to see them on that plastic as well. You're going to see hard water spots on that deck lid. Now there's no PPF on there. Taillights look good. Those look nice. The red accent here, you can see down here, it's really dirty. It looks like it kind of etched it, so it's not bright red anymore. You do have the carbon here, and it has yellowed, and you can see the clear is coming off right there. Then looking in the trunk, all of that looks good. Okay, looking at the interior. Now you do have the logo here on the ground. The passenger side one though is not working, or it did not for me when I opened the door. Got carbon here, that looks good. This is a little dingy, it's not bright red anymore. Upper section looks nice, lower section looks good. A couple small scuffs here and there. A little bit of wear on that floor mat. You can see the separation right there. You got the wrinkles and the wear here. That bolster looks good. You can see some wear from the seat belt, kind of discoloring it there. Otherwise, that seat looks nice. Awesome steering wheel. Got the flat bottom, carbon, red stitching. That looks good. Upper section of the dash looks nice. Edge of that looks good. Got the carbon. A couple tiny scuffs here and there, but otherwise in great condition. Alright, here on the passenger panel, got the carbon inserts here. That looks awesome. Handle looks good. That trim looks good. Carpets are nice and clean. Here on that bolster, very little wear. That looks awesome. Amazing looking seats. Got the carbon all here, looks good. Got a pro clip mount right there. Now you do have some cracks on the dash, if you can see that. Looks like it stops right there. Looking at that upper section, that looks good. Headliner looks nice. Those seats look good.